In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix lagging on Outplayed TV. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to outplayed.tv, and from here, we then want to edit or change some settings. So just head over to the gear icon, which is going to be the settings for Outplayed TV. And inside this page, click on the capture option. Now, the reason that we are changing the video capture settings is that recording your gameplay can take a lot of resources, and sometimes there won't be resources to use while playing your game, resulting the lag effect. Now, to simply reduce the lagging, you also want to reduce the settings of your video recording according to your computer specification. So if you have a well-powered computer, I suggest choosing the high option. But if you're using something like a graphics card that's older than 10 years old, you then want to simply choose medium or low. To make things easier, you simply want to select something like 1080p if your computer can handle it, but if not, choosing 720p is the best option. From there, you also want to choose your bitrate at 6000 kbps. For the frame rate, you also want to choose something like 30 fps. Now, we don't need to record in 60 fps. It's going to take a lot more resources recording that way. And then you can just click on the advanced option. In here, you want to make sure that you're using the NVIDIA or the AMD drivers depending on your graphics card. So there's multiple encoder out there. There's the CPU and there's the graphics card. You want to make sure that you have selected the graphics card encoder. Now from there, we also have the recording buffer. Just make sure to select RAM, and from there you are good to go. Now if it still lags on your device, you can simply select the lowest setting, which is going to be 480p and something like 20 fps. In that way, you will be able to still record your game, but this time without lagging. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.